What is up, guys? This is your boy, Amoy Piranyan. Welcome back, another episode. For today's episode, we're going to dive into an artisan brand which is located sa Netherlands. And this is none other than Annindriya. The name of the fragrance is Vetiver Rain. I would love to give a big shout out to Mr. Renato Lopena Jr. for giving me a chance to sample this fragrance and the discovery scent of this artisan brand. So the perfumer behind of this scent is Mr. Christophe Laudamiel, and he is one of the famous perfumer in the world, and he created so many fragrances, especially yung pinakasikat na pabango, which is Amber Absolute from the Tom Ford Private Blend line. Sa mga nakakaalam, you know what fragrance is that. That's a masterpiece amber scent. So let's dive into this fragrance. So itong pabango na to, basically, it's very realistic, it's very natural. It's a blend of a lot of malulupit na mga ingredients ang ginamit ni Christophe Laudamiel dito. And ito yung klaseng scent na initial blast pa lang ng Vetiver Rain. You will get that juicy, citrusy bergamot, and also you will get that parang watery, juicy na may pagka-fig. Ito yung klaseng fig na yung parang pinutol mo yung fig tapos gusto mo na siyang kainin. Yung sobrang parang fresh and at the same time medyo malamig siya. So yung malamig na note na makukuha nyo dito sa Vetiver Rain, that's coming from the violet leaf. It's kind of cold, it's crisp, it's quite energetic, it's very uplifting scent, and at the same time it's very realistic. It will transport you exactly sa place na mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo. Okay? And at the same time, dito na lumalabas yung pagka-brightness, the effervescent, it's very alive scent. It feels like parang try to imagine you are in the farm field, let's say sa Sagada. And dun sa farm field na yon, there are a lot of vetiver roots na nakatanim doon sa soil, okay? So you will feel here the three types of vetiver, which is Haitian, Bourbon, and also Vetiver Filipina, which ginamit ni Christophe Laudamiel. Imagine that, gumamit siya ng Vetiver Filipina. Then after that, it feels like talagang mai-imagine mo it's like tataas yung balahibo mo, kikilabutin ka na parang mag-uumpisa pa lang yung ulan, umuulan na, nabasaan yung vetiver dun sa farm na papakita ko sa inyo ngayon, right now. Basang-basa na, and there's a lot of sounds of birds. You can feel in here the ozonic feel. It's very crisp, very bright. Sobrang bright ng day mo. It feels like parang a wonderful day that you're going to have, okay? Then after that, dito na lumalabas yung pagka-musky nuances sa Vetiver Rain, and after that, you will get that little bit of woody touches at the background. It's kinda giving you that parang rooty, soily, earthy effect, and after that, dito na patapos yung epekto ng ulan. Ito na yung patapos na epekto ng ulan. Dito na tumitirik yung araw at you just want to smell and breathe properly and smell yung parang naiwan na basang ulan dun sa mga damo ng vetivers, dun sa farm na yon. You just want to inhale them. You just want to inhale them, enjoy the view, enjoy the smell, touch the soil, touch the earth, maglakad ka sa vetiver farm, it feels very realistic. Sometimes you try to think about it na parang, talaga ba? It will transport you exactly sa ganong place. Dito sa Vetiver Rain, you will experience that kind of a feeling. It feels like parang panaginip lang, but imagine that it's very realistic scent. It's like very natural. Okay? So that is Vetiver Rain. Highly recommended tong scent na to. It's not for everyone. I suggest try nyo munang isample tong scent na to. This is for those vetiver lovers out there if you love vetiver and aquatic type of a scent. But this is not your typical aquatic scent. it will exactly just give you that parang aquatic feel lang. Okay? This is not a beast mode. This is not parang attention seeking. This is for those people na very enthusiastic, you are very passionate pagdating sa pabango, you appreciate artistry pagdating sa pabango. Ito yung marirecommend kong scent, which is Vetiver Rain. Don't forget to check this one out. Highly recommended. I'll just flash their website in here. Check nyo na lang yung website. And for the price ito, this is for the 50 ml, this is 188 euro. And also, they have free shipping na. Don't forget to check this one out. Hopefully, na-enjoy nyo itong review na to. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have tried itong Vetiver Rain. And enjoy! Have a blessed day, everyone. Vetiver Rain from Annindriya.